Bow Window Contractors in Houston, Texas, are your go-to experts for all things related to bow windows. Whether you're looking for bow window installation, bow window replacement, or bow window replacement, these professionals have the skills and experience to deliver top-notch results. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, Bow Windows Houston contractors ensure that your bow windows are installed and maintained to the highest standards. Custom bow windows in Houston offer a unique opportunity to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. With a variety of bow window styles and bow window designs available, you can choose the perfect bow window customization to match your home's architecture. From traditional wooden bow windows to modern aluminum bow windows, the options are endless for creating a stunning focal point in any room. Energy-efficient bow windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Houston looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. By choosing energy-efficient Bow Windows Houston, you can enjoy the benefits of lower utility bills and a reduced carbon footprint, all while enhancing the beauty of your home. Affordable bow windows in Houston make it possible for homeowners to enjoy the benefits of bow windows without breaking the bank. With a range of bow window materials, including vinyl bow windows and aluminum bow windows, you can find cost-effective solutions that don't compromise on quality. Affordable bow windows. Houston provide excellent value for money, making them a smart investment for any homeowner. Bow window maintenance is essential to ensure the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular bow window maintenance. Houston services can help prevent issues such as leaks, drafts, and damage, keeping your windows in top condition. By scheduling routine maintenance with Bow Window Experts Houston, you can extend the life of your windows and maintain their aesthetic appeal. Bow window upgrades and bow window enhancements are a great way to add value to your home. Whether you're looking to improve the functionality or appearance of your windows, Bow Window Upgrades. Houston offer a range of options to suit your needs. From adding new bow window features to updating existing ones, these enhancements can transform your living space and increase your home's curb appeal. Bow Window Solutions in Houston provide homeowners with a variety of options to meet their specific needs. Whether you're interested in bow window customization or exploring different bow window options, Houston Bow Window Solutions offer tailored services to ensure your satisfaction. With a focus on quality and innovation, these solutions are designed to enhance the beauty and functionality of your home. Bow window sizes and bow window shapes are important considerations when planning your window installation. With a range of bow window sizes Houston and bow window shapes Houston available, you can find the perfect fit for your home. Whether you're looking for a large, dramatic window or a smaller, more subtle design, the right size and shape can make all the difference in your home's appearance. Bow window trends in Houston are constantly evolving, offering homeowners new and exciting ways to incorporate these windows into their homes. From contemporary designs to classic styles, Bow Windows Houston trends reflect the latest in architectural innovation and design.